Ginang Baguio 2024 coronation ceremony led by Her Majesty Queen Lourdes Subsubin and her court already posted in front. So congratulations to all of you. Indeed, as Ma'am Sonda said, you are the inspiration of the women in the city of Baguio. And as your team has said today, we invest in women, we accelerate in progress. Congratulations to the Baguio Federation of Women's Club for coming up with this activity. You know, Baguio Federation of Women's Club is one of the oldest club in the city of Baguio. Congratulations po, ma'am. She should always be a good, active member of your club, si Ma'am Mora, and now you're president. So I'd like to acknowledge her effort and all her different activities that she has been doing for our club. And so, as we witness today the coronation ceremony, we are indeed inspired to see all of them in their best attire. I know you went through a process, that's why nandito lahat ang pamilya natin, nandito po ang ating mga barangay officials, and I know that whatever was the outcome of the process of choosing Miss Baguio, everything will go down to the benefit of our community. So it's something that that everybody looks forward to. Even me, as your chairperson of the Committee on Social Services, I fully support this project because at the end of the day, it will be the community who will benefit from this undertaking, choosing our Ginang Baguio 2024. So again, congratulations and mabuhay po sa ating lahat.
Thank you again, Sir Councilor Elmer Duterte. Lalo na ulit yung progressive and accelerate women in the progress sa ating minamahal na Baguio City. Now, may we also hear a message from our legal consultant, no other than Ma'am Lourdes Subsubin.
Good afternoon to all of you, to our dignitaries, the officers of the Baguio Federation, to all of you, the guests, and of course, especially to the Royal Court. Invest in women, accelerate in progress. I am very glad that the Federation has chosen the theme, this thing now. Why? It is long overdue. From the very start, we should have invested in women. This has been my advocacy throughout my career in politics. I remember when I first started in politics in 1992, I was already advocating for women's empowerment. I was already advocating that we should give women equal opportunities like men, because progress can only come about if both men and women are part of this progress. So I say that this afternoon, we should renew our commitment to invest in women. And I'm happy that the Federation is doing its share in investing in women. We have always said that women's empowerment can come about only if we provide the opportunities, the venues for this. Maybe some of you will say, paano naging women's empowerment ang pag-corona ng Ginang Baguio? I tell you, it takes a lot of guts and effort to be a contestant in this particular endeavor. I tell you, it is not easy to make rampa there. It is not easy to solicit and distribute your envelopes. It tries to help develop the women, the ability of women to be able to participate in activities like this. But aside from this, I know for a fact that the Federation has has been engaged in programs for empowering women, like, for example, livelihood opportunities. They have been distributing certain equipment or certain sums of money to different women's groups. They have helped in the organization of women's groups in the barangays. They have done their share as far as child development centers are concerned. So what I say to you this afternoon is, let us make this a battle cry to invest in women so that we will have more empowered women in the city of Baguio. I am an example of a woman who started with no idea of what women's empowerment is. But through sincere effort, earnest efforts, we have tried to develop ourselves to make sure that we can match any man out there, including my colleagues who are here. Basta, equal lang tayo. Basta, we are both at the same level. No one inferior, no one superior. This is the essence of equality. This is the essence of inclusivity. So, to all the women out there, take advantage of the opportunities. To the Baguio Federation, to the government officials, to all those who have the authority and the resources, invest in women. This will be your best security for a better Baguio for all of us. With that I say, let's move on. Let us show the people of Baguio that we, the Federation Women, are able to cope with the responsibilities. We are being developed to become empowered women. Good afternoon to all of you.
Thank you, Ma'am Lulu, Agenda. Parang nag-seminar na tayo, no? Ang dami natin narinig sa ating mga speaker na empowered. Because if you are empowered, positive na lahat ang susunod yan. Kasi maganda ang kalabasan pag tayo ay empowered women. Okay, let's give ourselves a round of applause again. Okay, now we're going to witness the intermission number of our ginang ng Baguio candidates.
DJ
present na mayroon po sila pag naka-entrance na po ang ating mga Royal Court. Wow, ever ready ang mga women's ng CAMAID.
Pag nakakarapat na.
greeting card.
Board of Directors and Board Members of the Baguio Federation of Women's Club with legal consultant Betty Lourdes F. Tubanda and everyone. Palakpakan naman kayo dyan!
When life day by day and be grateful for the little things. Don't get caught up in what you can control and focus on the positive.
Okay, thank you, everybody. That is our sixth runner-up, Ginang Katarungan Maris Espanel of Elisan Women's Club, supported by Sir Kurt Aldel. Okay, we're going to be Sax, to be led by Sir Kurt Bocagan and Ma'am Sheila Grace Morel. All present officers, please assist.
Snow White.
All
Oh.
officers, please Ginang
Ginang si BSTC yung Baguio. La Cinderella.
Trophy.
Kala ko kasama pa ka. Hindi. Sayang yung ano, air. Tingnan mo na. O kaya nga, kaya na mo mapa. Handaan na lang.
Okay. Trophy to be awarded by Sir Vernon Vizcarras and Ma'am Stella Rolando.
Kasar kayo man. Awang matib, awang magamin ti booking ay kasi mo di likod.
Agnes Olarte. Gift to be given by Ma'am Lilisa Torneno and Ma'am Rodrigueza Banel.
Masapol di silang.
Okay, to be given by Sir Edgar Bucalan and Sir Julius Bucalan.
Kasar kayo manin sir. Kaano nga ti honeymoon man. Muna na.
Congratulations, Sister Ginang Katarungan Maris Espanel of Elisan Women's Club.
YouTube.
Certificate to be awarded by Ma'am Bernie Pasco.
Okay.
Gift to be given by Ma'am Nelly Estigo. Gift to be given by Ma'am Nelly Estigo. Non-representative, please get ready. Non-representative for Women's Club, escorted by Sir Ronnie Corpus. Presenting to you Joy Corpus, a gorgeous 44-year-old mom of three, Amy, Valerie, Vincent, and Rodney. She is the owner of the name Romeo Molino, a former Mr. Baguio 1979, and Nancy Molino of the Chaman Tumaga. Also, Joy has two supporting brothers, Roxanne and Zay. Though stranger to the pageant world, she has participated in many classes. Joy won Miss Elisa in 1995 and Dina Elisa and third runner-up in 2007. In addition, Gina Pagkasan, Ma'am Eva, Senior Central of Colorado Springs Women's Club. Congratulations to our first runner-up, Ginang Federation of Women's Club, Ma'am Berna R. Luciano of Palay Women's Club. Ladies and gentlemen, now next, the Federal Walk of Ginang, Baguio, 2023, Her Majesty Queen, Ma'am Lucia Malamio.
Bayaan mo naman daw. Slowly. Sister ang lahat.
Let's give her a big round of applause to Her Majesty Queen, Constitutional Mayor in her very well as the Ginang Baguio 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, the highlight of this coronation ceremony. Let us all stand in Librarian.
Queen Majesty Mrs. Lourdes Patsy Susupit, born in the small town of Navilla, London. Mrs. Lourdes Susupit began her life journey when she met Mr. Emilio Susupit, former Baguio City librarian. They fell in love with each other and got married. They are now residing at the Dominican Little Baguio City and have 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls, who are all professionals now and have their own families. Despite of their hardships, all the ups and downs she had experienced, she remained strong, but through her determination and insistent effort to raise her kids, her son, Emilio Susupit,
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Ginang Baguio 2024.
Since at present, she's serving at St. Vincent de Ferrer Parish Church. She's the kind of person who has always been involved with all parts of our daily lives. In fact, she was the kind of mother who always had time to devote to community projects. Her energy and enthusiasm for all these things seem endless. She's truly amazing person, both inside and out. She's given a great example of how a woman can surpass all challenges and fully succeed in all aspects of life. Presenting Ate Lourdes Susupit, Her Queen Majesty. Thank you.
To give surname, let us welcome Ma'am Aljen de Guzman to serenade our Ginang ng Baguio 2024 Baguio Federation of Women's Club. Ginang ng Baguio 2024, Ginang Lourdes P. Susupit. Sir Tomas Susupit and Seisha Anahira C. Marcel. Crown! To be crowned by no other than our Congressman Marco and Ma'am Soledad Go. Assisted by Sir Benji Makadanda.
Iputok mo na. Putok. 1, 2, 3. Sige.
Sucks to be pinned by Sir Benji Makadanda and Ma'am Conchita Borja. certificate to be awarded by Ma'am Janet P. Guzman and Ma'am Virginia P. Bailey.
Kayo matanya nga ito. Video kayo.
Then again,
Makanya nga.
community dance. Then community dance of the Royal Court. Okay.
Well, mapang kayo. Naka-video kami dito. Sige, mapang kayo. Mabalik.
Saturday. Thank you, Ma'am Aljane Guzman. Okay, picture taking, picture taking. Like to acknowledge the Baguio Federation of Women's Club, all the presidents of all units related to the Baguio Federation of Women's Club. Thank you very much for the success of this activity, most especially the ginang ng Baguio 2024. Thank you po, all the committees, all the working committees, lahat po. And we would like to thank the Crown Legacy, most especially the waiter, the waitress who assisted us. Thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. The board